In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle excluding certain file types when using Google Drive for desktop, and we'll touch on some important caveats that you should be aware of. Let's get started by first discussing what you can do to manage the files that sync to your computer. If you've been using Google Drive for a while, you might remember the older Google client known as Backup and Sync. In that version, users had the ability to explicitly set file extensions they wanted to ignore. For example, you could exclude temporary .tmp files or shortcut .k files by tweaking the advanced settings. It was pretty straightforward back then. Now, with the current Drive for desktop, you can achieve a similar outcome by changing your sync mode. If you switch your sync method to stream files instead of mirror files, you can effectively reduce the local disk usage. This approach doesn't sync everything to your PC, which helps in managing unwanted file types, cluttering up your local storage. Do keep in mind, though, that while this method helps manage storage space, it doesn't truly allow you to exclude specific file extensions on your drive. Now, let's talk about the limitations and what you unfortunately cannot do with Drive for desktop. Within the current client, there isn't a built-in setting for excluding files by extension or type for the upload or sync processes. Unlike the older Backup and Sync, this client lacks the option to filter files by extensions. Many users have voiced their concerns over this removal, and it's become a common point of feedback on various forums. For instance, you can't easily define exceptions like "don't sync files with PSD" or "move extensions" directly using the native settings of Drive for desktop. This means any specific file types you don't want syncing require a workaround, but these options aren't inherently part of the Drive for desktop setup. Lastly, another caveat to be aware of is the limitations surrounding specific subfolders. You might find that in many cases, you're unable to exclude certain subfolders from syncing, especially those that reside in My Drive. This can make managing your files a bit challenging if you are trying to keep some folders from adding to your sync backlog. So, to recap, while Google Drive for desktop offers benefits in terms of streamlining and reducing local file clutter, it doesn't support direct file extension exclusion like its predecessor. Adjusting your sync mode to stream files can help manage local storage, but there's no built-in method to exclude specific file types outright. Awareness of these limitations can help you make informed decisions on how best to manage your Google Drive workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate your way around handling file exclusions in Google Drive for desktop.